What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out XLOV Serve MV. Just came out recently. Let me hit that like already on them because they the truth. I've been liking XLOV ever since debut. I feel like they flipped K-pop upside down, and I love every minute of it. Well, I don't know what y'all takes on XLOV is, but they be doing their thing for real. Again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. Your boy's been doing some gaming on Dre Day. Be sure to check out Dre Day if you haven't already. What you thinking?
Good evening.
Yeah.
I want to be friends with Taeyang.
I do too. Like,
what should we talk about?
ooh.
Good evening, Taeyang.
Oh shit, I'm nervous. Are we gonna become friends?
Do you feel like talking about body rolling?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Cool. Well, I have to say, I've been super into body rolling lately.
Period.
Really? Me too. Yeah, I've totally come around on the joys of body rolling.
We've been playing games on Twitch as well. Be sure to follow the Twitch. Patreon, you can follow for free. We got content out there for free, but also you can subscribe for $1 for extra content. Join the Discord if you haven't already. Link in the description. Yeah, just subscribe to your boy. Support your boy. All right, y'all. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, we are running from something? What is happening? Ooh. Wow. Beautiful. Ooh. The nails. Oh. Chess match. We starting with a body roll? Ooh. Oh, wait. Is this the same manner as... Where is this mansion at? Why does this remind me of that Saltburn mansion? Don't look that up. Oh. Serving. Oh. What are we doing? What are we doing? A sacrifice? What's happening? A summoning? Not the shimmy. Bruh, I'm gagged. Oh, we switched up again? Oh, they really serving looks for real. The choreo's fire, by the way. Wait a second. Ooh, with the short hair too. I love that little shimmy shake tip formation. Ooh. Oh, nah. Icons already. They icons for real. I love this outfit too. She's about to slay the dragon. Yeah. Ooh. Let me see that again. Serve. I'm trying to look like a baddie, like, damn, for real. XLOV. Aw, they always be eating for real though. Look at them. Wow. Wow. Good job, XLOV. I feel like XLOV is gonna be one of those groups that I'm always gonna be satisfied every MV, every comeback, cause they really do be serving, whether it be through looks, music, choreo, fashion, face. It's so funky in the beginning too. Ooh. So I had to take a second look. Hey, this part, that switch up to like the two switch ups. Makeup is on point, by the way, but that switch up to here. Bah. Serving. I like that every member has their their moment. There's no confusion. Wow. Fire. I love the outfit here too. I love the production of this music too, like the instrumental. Oh my god, with the faux fur coat or vest. This outfit's crazy. It's giving me like a different version of Bayonetta. Like that skin tight. Like it's not really skin tight, but like it's close to the body. Yada yada. Wait, what's going on here though? I'm confused about this. Like the person, like, yeah, right here. Oh, is there an album out already? Hold up. Is there an album out? Cause that'll be nice. It is. God, that's right. I think I saw that. Whoa. Definitely. Downloaded, liked, serve the rules, ecstasy, back-to-back hips, masterpiece, serve, instrumental. Ooh, the instrumental already sounds good. You know what this sounds like? Some parts of it sounds like choosing a fighter in like Tekken or a fighting game. You know, some like fighting game, like choose your character type vibe. That shit's fire. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to check out all of this at some point. Probably gonna be up on this YouTube channel or Patreon, so be sure to check it out over there. Put the comments down below, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out XLOV, go support them. All right, y'all, it's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.